Number 1.
1971 Chevrolet C20, price $9,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a green exterior matched with a green interior, giving it a classic, period-correct look. Under the hood, it houses a rebuilt 350 small block V8 engine that provides reliable performance. The interior is very clean and has received some tasteful refurbishments, enhancing its overall appearance and comfort. The body is in good condition with only minimal damage and very little rust, especially impressive for a vehicle of its age. There is a minor oil leak, but nothing that affects drivability. This Chevy comes with a clean title, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a vintage truck with character and dependability.
Number 2.
1989 Ford F250, price $8,000, powered by a strong 5.8L Windsor V8 gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission. With only 62,900 original miles and just 2 owners since new, it remains in excellent mechanical condition and drives great. The truck is fully loaded, featuring power windows, a tonneau cover, and a bed liner. The exterior is finished in black with silver trim, showing signs of natural aging with minor blemishes, but no major dents or rust, just a clean patina that would shine beautifully with a professional detail. It sits on new Mud Trucker 10 lug rims wrapped in new Dextero tires, giving it a bold, aggressive stance. A recent tune-up has been completed, along with new brakes, new front and rear shocks, a new battery, new exhaust, and new power window motors, ensuring it's ready for the road. The interior is in beautiful original condition, with no rips or tears on the seats and only a small crack on the dashboard.
Number 3.
1987 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. It comes with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and is powered by a fuel-injected 350 V8 engine paired with a 700 R4 transmission, offering a great balance of performance and drivability. Finished in a fresh red exterior paint, this truck presents very well and turns heads wherever it goes. The truck has recently undergone several updates to enhance both its appearance and functionality. It features a new cowl hood, brand new front fenders, new fuel doors, and new glass all around. The lighting system has also been completely refreshed, including new headlights and all new light bulbs, ensuring excellent visibility and a clean, updated look. Rolling on new tires, the C10 rides confidently and smoothly. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,900, with only 124,000 miles on the odometer. It's powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, delivering both reliability and ease of use. The truck features a matching burgundy exterior and interior, which adds to its vintage charm and character. It runs and drives exceptionally well, and the air conditioning blows ice cold, making it comfortable even on the hottest days. The current owner points out that it's nearly 30 years old, so while there is some surface rust underneath, it's important to note that there is no structural rot. This Chevy would be a perfect candidate for classic vehicle insurance, which often costs significantly less than coverage for newer trucks.
Number 5.
1994 Ford F150, price $4,900. This truck comes with a clean title and has been well maintained, showing 148,000 original miles on the odometer. Powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, this truck is finished in a matching burgundy exterior and interior, giving it a classic, uniform look. The vehicle runs strong and both the air conditioning and heater function perfectly, making it reliable for any weather conditions. Recently, it received a comprehensive round of maintenance, including a brand new radiator, new water pump, new thermostat, and replaced crankshaft cover. Additionally, all hoses have been replaced, and receipts for all the work are available for peace of mind.
Number 6.
1991 GMC 3500, price $5,500, featuring a 2-door short bed configuration and powered by a dependable 5.7L gasoline V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 106,000 original miles on the odometer, it remains in great mechanical shape and is an excellent candidate for restoration or customization. The exterior comes in black, complemented by a matching black interior, giving it a bold and timeless look. It comes equipped with electric windows for added convenience, bright LED headlights for improved visibility, and rides on 6 brand new tires that offer excellent grip and safety.
All engine sensors have been recently replaced, ensuring smooth and reliable performance.
Most importantly, there are no oil leaks, a sign of good maintenance over the years.
Number 7.
1998 Dodge Ram 2500, price $3,800. With 239,000 miles on the odometer, it's still going strong, thanks to its 5.9-liter V8 gasoline engine. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the 4x4 system works perfectly, making it a reliable option for off-road use or tough conditions. Finished in a bold blue exterior with a clean gray interior, this Ram stands tall with a 5-inch lift, giving it an aggressive stance and excellent ground clearance. It also features an over 8-foot bed, perfect for hauling large loads, and a cowl hood that adds a custom touch. The dual exhaust not only looks great but also produces a deep, aggressive tone that turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, the windows are fully functional, and both heat and air conditioning work, though they currently only blow through the dash and floor vents. There are no warning lights on the dash, and aside from a non-functioning gas gauge, everything operates as it should.
Number 8.
1976 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, originally powered by a reliable 250 inline 6-cylinder engine. The truck rides on 8-inch rally wheels, adding to its period-correct charm. With its sturdy frame and clean body, the Chevy is perfect for cruising as it is or driving while you take on a restoration project. Included with the truck is a disassembled but complete 6.2L V8 engine from a 2007 Cadillac. The engine ran strong before being taken apart for inspection, and it's now ready to be rebuilt or reassembled and dropped in for a performance upgrade. This vehicle holds a reconstructed title due to a past theft. The only damage sustained was to the steering column, which has since been professionally replaced and passed inspection.
Number 9.
1979 Ford F150, price $8,500. It has traveled only 74,000 miles. It features a red exterior and comes equipped with a 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it both powerful and easy to drive. From the factory, it includes air conditioning. The compressor engages and provides slight cooling, although it could use some attention to function at its best. The truck has seen a number of recent upgrades and maintenance items, including new tires, brakes, a rear brake hose, master cylinder, fuel tank, filler neck, fuel pump, sending unit, will seal, and valve-covered gaskets, among other components the owner may have missed listing. Impressively, the body is in great shape with no rust in the drip rails, and the floor pans remain solid. While the original radiator is still in place and does have a slight leak, the truck remains very drivable and dependable overall.
Number 10.
1987 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, with just 60,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a reliable 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives great. The truck features a striking blue exterior with a black interior, offering a bold yet timeless look. It rides on like new 20-inch US mag wheels wrapped in fresh tires, giving it a strong presence on the road. The truck also comes equipped with power steering and power disc brakes, ensuring a smooth and confident driving experience. Inside, it boasts new custom gauges that function perfectly, along with a retro sound Bluetooth radio for modern convenience without sacrificing vintage charm. LED headlights enhance both visibility and style. The exterior wears an awesome natural patina that adds to its classic character. Rust is very minimal, the underside is clean, and the cab mounts are in solid condition.